Next, we have from province of Iloilo. Good evening. Idire-diretso na
Good evening
natin
po.
ito. Here's your question. During the recent typhoons, you were stranded in Lukban. The experience was both challenging and eye-opening. As a great man, what lessons did you learn in this situation?
The lesson that I learned as a great man is that I learned to be strong, to help others, and to be grateful of the things that I have. And this showed me how important teamwork is and to be ready for all the things that life throws at us. Thank you.
Thank you, province of Iloilo, great man. And next, we have from Tarlac province. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. During the recent typhoons, you were stranded in Lukban. The experience were both challenging and eye-opening. As a great man, what lessons did you learn in this situation?
We, great man of the universe, Philippines, have faced lots of difficulties and challenges throughout our journey. Especially when we are in Lukban. We got stranded, we got, naging mas maayos ang aming pagkasasama sa isa't isa at nagtulungan kami na parang kami magkakapatid. At ang aking natutunan ay ang pagiging unity ng bawat isa. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, great man from Tarlac province. Next, we have from Moncada, Tarlac. Ang dami ng Tarlac na nakapasok, ha? Mukhang alam na natin kung saan tayo pupunta next time. Here's your question. During the recent typhoons, you were stranded in Lukban, and that experience were both challenging and eye-opening. As a great man, what lessons did you learn in that situation?
The most lesson that I learned that Lukban, we are stranded is positive thinking. Because we are overthink a lot. In our family, we overthink. And I stand here before you to highlight the importance of mental health. It's a personal struggle over 20 million Filipinos. And it's time for action. According to the Republic Act 11036, or the National Mental Health Policy, was a significant strike. But our mission continues. Empowering education is key by holding workshops and open conversation. And by the help of Great Man Organization, we can have a big impact in our community. So let's unite as force of hope and change and become a fundamental right for all. Thank you.
Thank you from Moncada, Tarlac. We only have 4 great men left. And we have from Isabela. Ang Isabela ba ay mga Ilocano?
Yes po.
Yes. So marunong ka mag-Ilocano? Pwede bang batiin mo na ang mga nanonood sa atin, ang mga Ilocanos?
Gyaman ng kanya yung amin nga buybuyak, suporta kanya, gyaman ng kanya yung lubos.
Hirap intindihin, no? Yun ang nakakatuwa sa Pilipinas. Ang dami nating dialect, hindi ba? Pero ito, kailangan mong masagot ang question for you. Baka ikaw na ang next great man. During the recent typhoons, you were stranded in Lukban, and that experience were both challenging and eye-opening. As a great man, what lessons did you learn in that situation?
With my province of Isabela, it's already experience of serious typhoon of Pipito, even in Quezon province, was felt at mat of Super Typhoon Pipito. As a great man, I'm dedicating myself for promoting SDG number 13, climate action. Thank you.
Thank you very much, great man from Isabela. Isa din yan sa mga tinamaan itong bagyong Pipito, if I'm not mistaken.